Hey, welcome all. Well, today I'm going to install this dash camera. It's a C660 8-man. It's very relatively inexpensive, 1080p. I already opened it up and played with it a little bit. It comes with an instruction booklet. It's fairly easy to follow, just gotta read into it a little bit. Also comes with a USB port right here and I want to say charger, but it's actually a cigarette lighter that keeps the thing going, because it does have a little battery in it, and this little cable here is a USB charger, and it which side did it go into? It goes in the top right here, and it takes an SD card. I put a 32 gigabyte in it. When you hook it up to your cigarette lighter, that's the power, your cigarette lighter adapter, and then that supplies the power. It plugs into the same spot up here that the little battery charger cable goes to. But the battery in there is not designed to play or run the unit. It's designed to run off the cigarette lighter adapter here, and when you turn the key on, this thing comes on automatically. You don't have to fool with it at all, and it records in 5-minute increments. So you turn the key off, it stops. You turn the key back on, it starts. And generally you can just go until you fill up a 32 gigabyte card. Now, I read a few things, comments on this. Other people have put 128 gigabyte cards in it. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see how it works a little bit, because what I plan on doing is giving it a little test with this 98 Corvette as soon as I get it warmed up a little bit. It is so cold outside. I have no idea how cold it is, because this does not work. I mean, I can get heat out of it and everything, but the display does not work. So there's an issue there that I'm going to have to tackle. This little dash cam comes with a suction cup mount, and this turn lever right here locks the suction cup to the windshield. So what you do is you put it on the windshield, you turn this lever, lock it down. So then you plug it into your auxiliary port or the cigarette lighter, and it will come on. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can mount this. And I'll put it right underneath the windshield. I'm going to put it right underneath the rear view. Okay, it mounts just like that. And by being up there in the rear view, it's not in your way. Then you can take your connection cable and reroute it over your windshield, over your visor, and down the side, or whatever you want to do with it, and then into your cigarette lighter or your adapter port. There's a ton of wire here for mounting this. Okay. So I plugged it into the auxiliary port, which is a little less used, I'm sure, than the cigarette lighter, so it worked pretty good. Now, it come on automatically. I got the car running, but normally what should happen is it should go off when you shut the key off, and then it should come on when you turn the key on. But I believe this car is set where the auxiliary port is live all the time, and so it comes on the minute you plug it in. So it'll record where you can see it for a little while, and a few minutes, I can't remember, a couple minutes maybe, and then it goes off like that. And so long as this little blue light is flashing right here, it's recording, and it'll go and record in 5-minute increments, and so you'll have a bunch of little 5-minute videos. You can start and stop it, I believe, with the bottom switch. Well, emergency videos. Okay, well, obviously I don't know how to work this really well yet, but I just want to see what kind of a picture it actually takes. Let's take it for a ride and see what happens.